If you're thinking about filing bankruptcy but unsure where to start, today I'll walk through 5 steps to consider before filing. Let's get started. Welcome to the Sen Finance YouTube channel, where we built free bankruptcy calculators to help you understand your options to get out of debt cheaper, easier, and faster. My name is Ben, and I'm the CEO of Ascend. I want to cover 5 steps to consider before filing bankruptcy. Also, this is not legal advice, but just for informational purposes only. First, consider what bankruptcy is, how bankruptcy applies to your situation, and compare it to other debt relief options to ensure you're making the best decision for yourself. At the end of this video, I'll go over steps on what you need to do to chat with someone who can compare relief options for you for free or help you get in touch with a local attorney if you're looking at that path. Second, it may make sense to dive into which chapter you're looking to file. Now, many people tend to look at the Chapter 7 first, as it could discharge all your debt quickly, and it's much faster than Chapter 13 bankruptcy. You could also look at a site that I'll post about the Department of Justice, about your income, your expenses, and where that lands in your state's threshold or household size. If you're unclear whether your income is within your state's threshold to file Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you can take what's called the means test, and it looks at your disposable income, compare it to the state's threshold for your household size, and see whether you may be able to qualify for that Chapter 7 bankruptcy. You can also take a free Chapter 7 bankruptcy calculator to help you estimate whether you qualify using that means test. Now, if your income is above the median, you can also look at a Chapter 7 above median calculator, which we built to help you understand whether you could even qualify above the median. It's just an estimate. Also, you may want to look at whether you could lose or risk of losing assets. Now, if you do not qualify for Chapter 7 or have high valued assets, there's the other thing is called the Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is a restructured payment plan based on what the court views as what you can afford in those necessary payments. Third, once you have an idea of what bankruptcy you're going to look like, you can also speak with a bankruptcy attorney or determine whether you're going to file bankruptcy on your own. If you file without an attorney, there's products like myfreshstartfinance.com that simplifies the forms for you, and there's other products similar to that. Now, often the bankruptcy attorney will give you a quote if you decide to go that way, the cost of file, and whether you can get a payment plan. These are all potentially super helpful. Fourth, once you've met with an attorney and it sounds like bankruptcy is a cost-effective solution that will be able to assist you with your financial solution, you can start gathering up all the necessary documents and steps in order to put all that information into the forms to file. Now, the bankruptcy attorney often will complete those forms for you. Now, in bankruptcy, you'll have to complete 2 credit counseling courses, once before you file bankruptcy and then ones before you get discharged. Now, if you'd like to speak with an attorney to see whether bankruptcy makes sense for you, comment down in the word below bankruptcy, and I'll DM you with a link to a free calculator and also some attorney options from those results. You can also find it in my Linktree bio. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.